Imagine a blockchain that stores your data forever, secure, decentralized, and untouchable by censorship. That's Arweave, and its token AR might just be the hidden gem you've been searching for. Could this be the next big thing in crypto? In this video, we'll uncover why Arweave is turning heads, peek into its latest breakthroughs, and analyze the charts to see if AR is ready to skyrocket. Stay with me until the end, where I'll share a simple way to jump in while earning some free money. Let's get started. Welcome to Crypto Yield Pro, your go-to spot for discovering the hottest opportunities in crypto. Today, we're zooming in on Arweave, a project that's solving a problem we all face: how to keep our digital stuff safe and permanent. So what's Arweave all about? Picture this. It's a decentralized storage network where once you upload something, it stays there forever. No recurring fees like with Google Drive or Dropbox, and no risk of someone deleting it. But how? It uses blockchain tech to lock it in. Here's where it gets cool. When you upload data, like a family photo or an important document, you pay a one-time fee. About 95% of that fee goes into what's called the storage endowment. Think of it like a savings account that pays miners, those folks who keep the network running, to store your data over time. The other 5% goes straight to them as a little thank you right away. A tweet from Permaweb broke it down perfectly with a neat diagram showing this flow. And get this, as of July 2025, that endowment holds nearly 250,000 AR tokens, worth about $1.7 million, according to a post from only Arweave. That's a hefty backup to keep your data safe, no matter what. What's wild is that this endowment hasn't been tapped in over 7 years since Arweave launched in 2018. It's not run by some big boss or a group. It's hardwired into the code itself. The costs to store data are designed to drop by 0.5% a year, but in reality, they often crash 20 to 30% annually. That means a lot of those tokens just sit there, making AR rarer over time, a bit like Bitcoin's supply shrinking, which could push its value up. Right now, storing 10 gigabyte costs just $160, and 1 terabyte is $16,000. Sounds pricey. Hear me out. Compared to Amazon S3, which charges $23 a month for 1 terabyte, Arweave's one-time fee breaks even in about 7 years. After that, it's free forever. This isn't just storage, it's the backbone of a new internet called the Permaweb, where everything from websites to apps can live without being shut down. Arweave isn't just a cool idea. It's already doing big things. Another tweet from only Arweave listed 25 ways people are using it, and it's mind-blowing. We're talking storing entire blockchain histories, NFT artwork, medical scans, even images from space. Imagine locking away your family videos for your grandkids' to see, or keeping government records safe from tampering. That's the kind of stuff Arweave makes possible. And it's not slowing down. Perma Butler tweeted they'd saved 369 posts on Arweave in just 30 days, with over 40 users archiving everything from news to sports highlights. It's like a time capsule anyone can use. Then there's DRadar, a flight tracking tool that's fully decentralized, pulling live data from over 40 ground stations and storing it on Arweave. Kempster called it a game-changer for DePIN, short for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks, where blockchain powers real-world systems. Picture tracking 2,500 planes in real time, all on a network no one can shut off. That's Arweave in action. The Arweave ecosystem is cooking with fresh updates, too. Midnight Network announced a partnership with AR.io, part of Arweave's family. They're teaming up to offer private smart contract storage. Think secret deals that stay secure and decentralized. It's a big win for developers building on this Permaweb. Then, on July 1st, only Arweave spotted something huge. Arweave hit over 900 transactions per second, or TPS. That's how many actions the network can handle in a blink. For comparison, Ethereum does about 18 TPS. This spike, tracked by ViewBlock, shows Arweave's ready for serious growth. There's more. A tweet from AO the Computer dreamed up DeFi, Decentralized finance, where AI agents and users trade in living, programmable worlds on the Permaweb. Imagine a marketplace that evolves with you. And autonomous finance shared that USDS, a stablecoin tied to the dollar, is now live on AO, a super-fast platform built on Arweave. It's backed by solid engineering for deep liquidity, perfect for trading without wild swings. Now, you're here because you love the numbers, right? Let's dive into the AR chart. It's a beauty. We're looking at a 3-day time frame for AR against USDT, Tether's stablecoin. Back in May 2024, AR hit $49, then slid to $28, and by April, it bottomed out at $4, forming a double bottom with the recent June lows, a pattern that often means the price is ready to climb. Right now, it's hovering around $8.50, and things are looking up. We've got Fibonacci levels, fancy math that spots key price zones, drawn from that 49 peak to the $4 low. The first stop is $15, about 70% up from here. Next, we've got 21, 32, 49, and a wild $77. Over 800% potential. That $15 mark lines up with a big yellow trend line from the 49 top, acting like a wall we need to break. If we do, the sky's the limit. The super trend indicator, which tracks the trend, just flipped green after 7 months of red, a sign we're shifting bullish. The volume profile shows we've crossed a chunky trading zone at $8, so if the price dips, buyers might step in there. Plus, the Heikin-Ashi RSI indicator, a momentum gauge, is bouncing from oversold, screaming bullish vibes. Here's the plan. If AR smashes past $15, we could see it climb to $21, $32, even $77 over time. Lock in some profits at each step with a trailing stop, a safety net that moves up with the price. But watch out, a weekly close below $6 could pause this party. Still, if you believe in Arweave long-term, $6 might be a steal to buy in. Arweave's got it all. A killer idea with permanent storage, real-world uses popping off, and a chart hinting at a breakout. It's the kind of project that could quietly change the game while making early believers very happy. If you're pumped about AR, here's your move. Check out MEXC, an exchange with over 10 million users and the lowest fees around. Sign up with my referral link. You'll find it in the pinned comment or on-screen QR code, and grab up to $8,000 in bonuses. We're talking trading fee vouchers, futures credits, even a Bitcoin position. New users can stake 300 USDT for 2 days at 600% APR. That's about $10 in your pocket. Trade 100 USDT to unlock more rewards, all while exploring gems like AR. Just a heads up, only invest what you're okay losing and dig into your own research. This video is for informational purposes only, not financial advice. Love this deep dive? Smash that like button, drop your thoughts on Arweave below. Will it hit $77? And subscribe for more daily crypto gold. Check out my last video for another hot pick. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you tomorrow in the next one.